What do you think of this very blue eyeshadow? It is not a color I ever use, wear, or will likely ever wear again, but I did it today for you. I did it for this video and I did it for you. But seriously though, what is going on right now? Trends always come back around, but right now it's like every 90s trend is back all at the same time. Shoes, clothing, hair, everything, except for the eyebrows. We're having a very fluffy brow moment right now that we will all laugh and make fun of later. Trust me. But other than that, my God, it's like 90s all around. I'm 36 years old, so the 90s was a prime time for me. It was a damn good time. So today we are gonna try out some viral 90s TikTok hair trends. What are the kids doing right now? Let's see if I can pull it off or if I look incredibly ridiculous. Number your comment section and give me a yay or a hell's nay on these 90s TikTok looks for kids. Let's go. Okay, let's start with this one. I loved these. I had so many of them. I obviously don't have any anymore, but I ordered some from Amazon just for you. Let's see if these are as cute as I remember them being. Okay. Why do I love this so much? I love this. It just like brings everything back. It's so comfy on the head. It makes your hair so puffy. What do you guys think? Number one, yay or hell's nay? I can pretty much guarantee that this one's gonna look absolutely ridiculous because it's just straight up, it's too young for me. So you wanna hear something hilarious? I went to the bar the other day with my friend and I never ever go to the bar anymore. Not that I judge people that go to the bar when they're in their 30s, but I have two little kids and I just don't really do it. I just don't really have time and I really can't handle being hungover and I don't like to sleep past 11. That's just the truth. But my friend had twins and she desperately needed a night out, okay? Because if you have kids, you know. So I went out with her because no one else felt like going out. We went to this bar and it is notoriously a very young bar in the city where I live. It's where like all the really, really young people go. And I'm talking like 19 years old, but it's also a bar that has amazing music. Okay. They have amazing music and we wanted to shake our booties. We wanted to dance the night away. We did. That's what we wanted to do. So we showed up there and of course there's a massive lineup and every single person in the lineup is like hot and I don't know, 19. So we're sitting there and I'm like, we can't be here. We look really ridiculous. Have you ever been to the bar when you were little, you know, young, and you saw like a mother at the bar and you could totally tell, you're like, oh, that used to be my grade 7 teacher or like one of my mom's friends. Have you ever had that? And you're like, what is she doing here? And now I look back at those memories. I literally have a vivid memory of doing that. But I really thought those people were old, but they were really like 40, which is not far off from where I'm at now. And I'm like, I'm still cool and young and hip and want to shake my butt at a dance club. But those people look at us and are like, what on earth is that person doing here? So then my friend's like, we have to talk to the bouncer. The only way that we are going to get in is if we talk to the bouncer because the lineup is way too long. It was kind of like the end of the night-ish. And I was like, no, we can't talk to the bouncer. She's like, no, we have to. So she went up to the bouncer. She's like, hey, is there any way we can get in? You know, like what you used to do when you were cool. And the bouncer looked at us and goes, girls, I'm gonna be honest with you. There's no way you're going to get into this bar. But if you go down the street, there is a bar that caters towards more mature women. Yep, that happened to me on the weekend. And now I'm doing this to my friggin' hair. Like seriously, just kill me now. There's this weird shift in your 30s where you're like really young, you know, like 20, you're 29, you're really young, you turn 30, you still are like in your 20s pretty much. And then you like kind of hit past the like mid 30s and then you're just like not considered that young anymore. And it's a weird mental shift because you still kind of feel the exact same that you did when you were like, I don't know, 25, 26. Although you are very, very different. Like I have a family now and a career and everything, but mentally, I guess, in terms of my maturity, well, that's not true. I guess I am different, but you still feel kind of the same. You still feel kind of the same, but you're just like not at all the same. I just caught a glimpse of my hair in the monitor. Oh, Lord. Oh, this is not good. This is not good at all. What's next? Okay, this one's cute. I'm feeling this one. I would wear this. I would. I'd probably wave this a little so it looked a little more modern instead of just having it like this, which is very 90s. This is cute and gets your hair out of your face. Yay or nay? What do you guys think? For this number in the comment section, would you wear this? Do you like it? Are you intrigued? Oh my gosh, this next one's a classic. Watch this one. Watch this one. This one's a classic. I remember also doing my hair like this because I wanted to be just like Brit. Hit me, baby, one more time. That's embarrassing. I'm just gonna cut that. We're just gonna cut that. We're just gonna cut that out of the clip. See, the cool thing about the 90s is that everything was kind of like spiky. You know, now we try to make everything perfect, but back then everything had like a little bit of spikiness to it and it was fine. Like the spikier, the better. Okay, full disclaimer, I know this looks ridiculous. I can't help the fact that I feel adorable. I do. Why is she so damn cute? Why? Why is she so damn cute? Oh, the zigzag part. Why isn't that coming back in style? Zigzag part is so cool. The zigzag part was a Mary-Kate and Olsen special. I loved it. I loved it on them, and I loved them. What do you think of this one? Other than the fact that I made this braid too thick, I mean, I wouldn't feel comfortable wearing it in my everyday life. I could see someone wanting to wear this and rocking it and having it look pretty cute. Yay or nay, what do you think? Okay, so this next one I've seen around Hollywood celebrities a lot, actually. I believe it's Ariana Grande. Is it Ariana Grande that wears this a lot? There are definitely celebrities that wear this look quite often, so we're gonna try it. This is such a vibe. Guys, we need a clip. Like a snappy, what are those called? The snappy clips? I think I have them in neon. I mean, I'm wearing blue. Is it too much? It's the 90s though, right? Who cares? Wait, orange and blue are complementary colors. We'll do that. I love this one. I feel so cute. I'm actually legitimately going to wear my hair like this all the time. Maybe not with the clip. Fuck it, with the clip too. Should we do more than one clip? Oh my God, why is this so cute? I've never felt prettier in my whole entire life. I should have worn this on my wedding day. Wait, before we do the next one, I have these ridiculous earrings that I found. They're so obnoxiously 90s as well. My life just got like 10% better, maybe 15. I just belong in this time zone. I just deeply feel like I belong in the 90s. I don't even want to try this next look because I'm ready to go out like this. I'm ready. Does Dippity Doo still sell? Has anyone seen Dippity Doo in the grocery store? I thought this one was literally gonna be my favorite when I was watching all the TikToks. Like, this is it, this is gonna be my look, but yeah, we all know which look I liked the most. If you enjoyed this video, you might also really like this one next. This video teaches you how to turn your greasy, dirty hair into some really cute, easy to execute styles. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.